All right, who'd ever thought they'd see the superior life on Oliver Lake? All right, good morning everybody. Something different for us. We are at Oliver Lake for 30, almost 35 years. I've been hearing about this plane wreck that's supposed to be in Oliver, but everybody's heard the tale, but nobody knows where it is or nobody's found it. So we're gonna go take a look, see what we can see in the lake. It was a pretty borderline launch there, pretty shallow, so we managed it though. I've never been on this lake aside from scuba diving at the cliffs. That was only a few times. And there's cliffs all the way around this lake. That's the boat launch back there. Wasn't even sure where to park. We'll take a look, see what we can see. Another interesting thing I've heard about this lake is nobody really knows how deep it is. We just talked to a fisherman that said he's hit 125. We got people that say, oh, it's over 300 feet deep. So who knows? We've already hit a school of fish. It's already 100 feet deep, so we got to go way down to the east end, down that way, I guess it is. It's not a big lake, like maybe 3 kilometers long, 1 kilometer wide. The deepest spot on the chart is showing just up here in the middle, so I don't know. A lot of myths about this lake I've been hearing for, well, since 1991 when I started diving. Alright, we're heading into the deepest part on the chart. And we're looking at 118 feet. So I think we can put the 300-foot hole to rest on that one. I think the fisherman knows best. 125 feet. It does have some big cliffs. We're just headed down into this little bay down here. The water looks pretty clear. Supposedly it's a spring-fed lake. It's cold, that's for sure. Okay, we're where we were told to search. We're just not seeing anything. So is there an airplane in Oliver Lake along the cliffs? I'm beginning to highly doubt it. Got some interesting images, but everything has just been rock and nothing that definitively shouts aircraft. So it's probably one of those you gotta dive along the cliffs to find it, if it is there. I'm not seeing anything but mud and twigs and rock. Yeah, it seems to be getting deeper, so gotta be going the wrong way.
Yeah.
Now if I turn it around 180, of course I'm into the silt now. Oop, into the bottom.
You crashing your roll.
Yep, pretty much. Making a dust mess down there. Trying to, you have to stay pretty close to the bottom just to see anything.
Which is tricky.
Yeah. I'm seeing some big rocks. Oh, there's a broken rock. There's a bigger rock. I think that's what we're seeing, you know.
It could be. But you're not in 105 feet of water. We're in 90.
Well, I'm in pretty close to 100. It's not easy, but you can only see a few feet in front of you.
Yeah, this isn't the bomb.
Especially when I've already stirred it up. Alright, this sucks. I'm coming up. Okay, according to this thing, I'm heading to the surface.
Yep.
I can see my line.
Coming up.
Really hard on the ROV. I did see some big rocks that we had picked up on the side scan. Just check them out. That's about the best we could do. But we're just not seeing anything at near the depth or near the area where we were told. So no airplane as far as we can see. We'll be told we were in the wrong place. So sent the drone up, took a shot of the cliff. There's like an eagle or something up in the tree there. Took a shot of the boat from above. I guess we're just gonna cruise around. It's a nice little lake, cold and fairly clear. We got Ogopogo there. That's somebody's water line floating out in the middle of the lake in 80 feet of water. That's weird. Oh, I don't know. I think we should stop chasing these phantom
I don't think there's any left.
items that
Can't
everybody.
even think of any left.
No. Ah, there's a plane here. There's a plane in every lake. Oh, there's a shipwreck. It's over there. Here's the coordinates. Not finding anything.
Yeah, you have to wonder about that for sure.
Yeah. And we just found that water line floating in the middle of the freaking lake. I don't know what the deal with that is, but it was marked with a cup, a Tim Hortons cup, so you know that'll float. We're heading back to the launch. So two things we found, or haven't found, on this lake is I don't see any airplane where they say it is, but there is a big boulder field, so who knows, maybe there's pieces of one in down there. I don't know. You'd have to go dive it, but I have no intention of doing that. And the second thing is there's no 300 feet of water here. 120, 25 feet max.